In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Wrike. If you're looking to organize your projects with specific information tailored to your team's needs, creating custom fields is a great way to start. This feature allows you to add personalized data columns to your tasks, ensuring that everyone has the precise information they need at their fingertips. First, let's open the Wrike application. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific folder, project, or space where you'd like to add your custom field. This step is crucial because the custom fields you create will apply specifically to this area, allowing you to tailor the information to that particular project or space. Taking a moment to decide where you're focusing your efforts is important, as it sets the groundwork for an efficient workflow. Next, you'll want to switch to Table View. This view provides a spreadsheet-like format that makes it easier to visualize and manage your data, ensuring you have a clear overview of the tasks and related details. Table View is incredibly useful for tasks that require a more structured look, similar to what you might have experienced with traditional spreadsheets. If you haven't spent much time in Table View before, you'll likely appreciate its straightforward layout for this task. Once you're in Table View, you'll see column headers across the top of your workspace. At the far right, there's a plus icon. Clicking on this icon will give you the chance to add something new. It's an intuitive feature that helps you expand your table with minimal effort. Click that plus icon, and you'll be presented with several options for enhancing your table. From the options, choose Create New Field. This step opens a world of possibilities. You can now define a field that fits your team's unique requirements. Think about what information is usually missing or what would help streamline your processes. Maybe it's a custom priority level, a date field for tracking specific deadlines, or perhaps a category for identifying project types. Creating your custom field in Wrike doesn't just allow for more flexibility, it also ensures that your entire team is on the same page, storing and retrieving information consistently. As you fill in the details for your new field, carefully consider the data type you choose. Whether it's text, number, or date, select the type that accurately represents the information you're planning to capture. And there you have it. Your custom field is now set up and ready to use. This addition will appear alongside the standard fields, seamlessly integrating with the rest of your project data. Testing it by entering a few sample entries can help ensure everything is working as intended, and it might spur ideas for other fields you hadn't initially thought of. With this new tool in your Wrike toolkit, you're set to enhance your workflow and team collaboration significantly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Wrike.